myself, it doesn't pop. It's
Okay.
interesting.
Well, I
It's popping.
pushed a little bit further, but
Okay.
good.
You
Tuned
look
up?
different.
Yeah. I had to take my sweater off. I was too hot.
I'm sorry.
You're welcome. Alright, let's see how these are doing today. Yeah. Click. It's a little tighter on that side though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. I need to set all the pieces to you for your weight. Start with this seat. That stings. That stinks. Well, I guess more time to study. If you look hard enough, you can always find the silver lining. Can take a while to find it, but sometimes. So you may get sore again, okay? But it should get less and less between, after every adjustment and things like that. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Flush out the toxins that we release some waste product into your system just from, normal metabolism. So you want to flush all of that out. Simplest thing you can do to be healthy is to be hydrated. I'm sure you are telling your people that an awful lot, right?
Yeah.
Those pregnant ladies, they got to be extra hydrated.
Yeah, for those babies.
They got some serious blood volume going on, too. This knee will click again for us? Yep.
Is that a bad thing?
No, it's not. It's just you, isn't it? Good.
Yeah.
I'll have you come on up. Does it ever hurt you?
No.
Good. You can come on up.
When I do it myself, it doesn't pop. It's
Okay.
interesting.
Well, I
It's popping.
pushed a little bit further, but good.
You
Tuned
look
up?
different.
Yeah. I had to take my sweater off. I was too hot.
I'm sorry.
I turned the heat on,
Okay.
but it's
thank
nice
you.
outside today, isn't it?
It is.
Nice breath in. All the way out. You've been sitting over the books. You need this done too.
Yeah. My neck.
Nice breath in. Oh, it was bothering you too, wasn't it? A little bit.
Yeah.
Good.
And I got a massage. Did I tell you?
Oh, good.
I was sore like 2 days afterwards. She really just popped on my whatever was here, tense
Okay.
muscles. It
Good.
was really good.
Good, good, good. Yeah.
Is that it today?
That's all for today.
Wow, that's it.
That was
it's
easy,
so
wasn't
good.
it?
Yeah. Thank
It was
you.
easier than last time, huh?
Yeah. So do you feel any difference?
I do feel that it was, it's less tight,
Okay.
less, restricted feeling.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think.
Yeah. Well, I feel like it feels different too. Yeah, I haven't had. I've had like when I sit like this, still feel the pain, but it's not as bad
As
when
intense.
I first came.
Good.
Yeah.
Yep. So that
So I
should
think something is happening.
that will hopefully keep continuing too.